YouTube. I just want to take a little bit of time and talk about, in no particular order, my top 5 made in the USA knives. Those are USA made, designed, and made knives that I enjoy. Again, this will be a subjective list, simply my favorites. I've not hard used really any of these knives, but I do like the way they cut. I like the way they handle. I like the way they feel. I like the way they make me feel, and that's why I've picked out 5, and we're going to start with, in no particular order, we'll just call it number 5. That is the Medford Slim Midi. The Medford Slim Midi is a fantastic knife for me. It's small, it's thin for a Medford, it's got a great drop point blade, titanium handle, very light, very slicey for a Medford, and just a knife that I really enjoy. So we're talking about top 5 knives in the USA. We'll start with the Medford Slim Midi. Moving on from there, we'll look at the Spyderco Shaman. Spyderco Shaman is a fantastic knife. It's a knife that gets really anything done that I need it to. It is a hard use knife, very thick blade stock, very agile, nimble knife, very fidgety, very sharp. This one's in CTS XHP steel, and it's got the sharp dress scales, fat carbon fiber. Sharp dress knives, fat carbon fiber scales. So again, Golden, Colorado, USA Earth, Spyderco Shaman, number 4. Again, no particular order on the top 5 USA made knives. Number 3 is the TRM Atom. 3.5-inch blade, titanium handles, fantastically slicey, fantastically thin, blade stock literally that will just cut through just about anything. The knife feels fantastic. It's on washers, made by Three Rivers Manufacturing, and for an everyday carry that'll fit in your pocket that you won't even remember it's there, this would be that knife. And that is the TRM Atom by Three Rivers Manufacturing. Number 2 would be the Hinderer XM18, 3.5-inch Spanto in battle bronze titanium. Fantastic knife. It's a knife that I kind of came to the game late on. I had not really experienced a lot of Hinderers till my buddy Dark Gravity hooked me up with a 3-inch Skinner blade, my first Hinderer, and after that I really love the knives. I've got several of them now, but in terms of my favorite, the one that I carry the most, the one that I use the most, is going to be this 3.5-inch Rick Hinderer Spanto XM18. And then going to number 1, go back to Greg Medford, and it is my Medford Infraction. This is a Stars and Stripes edition, and I absolutely love this knife. It's a little thicker, still carries like a champ. It's small enough for me to be very comfortable in hand. I can choke up on it. It's got a fantastic blade, fantastic deployment, fantastic action, and again, just a beautiful knife that I enjoy carrying, I enjoy owning, and I enjoy, that it's an American-made knife. So when we look at what my top 5 are, again, in no particular order, I appreciate you guys stopping by. I do hope you found this video somewhat entertaining. We'll look at a top 5 budget knives. We'll look at a top 5 mid-range knives. and these are just kind of my opinions. Again, they're based on guys, what knives and how knives make me feel when I use them, when I play with them. Using them could be on the couch. Playing with them could be cutting open packages. Hard using them, as far as I'm concerned, could be cutting paracord. It could be feather sticking, you know, when I'm camping, but that's going to be rare. So anyway, I'm glad everybody stopped by. Most important thing that I want everybody to remember is look out and take care of the person on your left. Look out and take care of the person on your right. Know that we're all different. Agree to disagree. But when it comes down to it, love each other. Remember, there's more that makes us in common than there is that separates us. Love everybody. Have a great week. Peace.